You bought a smart TV to make life easier. But wait, why can't you just install apps like Netflix, YouTube, or Hulu the way you do on your phone? Imagine spending hundreds of dollars on a smart TV only to realize you don't know how to actually make it smart. If that sounds familiar, stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to install apps on your Vizio Smart TV, step by step, with zero confusion. Here's the thing. Most people think buying a smart TV means you just turn it on and magically get access to every app. But with Vizio TVs, that's not always the case. Some models don't have an app store. Some rely on built-in apps. Others use something called SmartCast. And if you don't know the difference, you'll waste hours pressing buttons, searching menus, and wondering why Netflix won't download. I've been there, frustrated, annoyed, and honestly, a little cheated. But don't worry, because once you know how it really works, installing apps on a Vizio Smart TV is actually simple. Here's the secret. Unlike Samsung or LG, Vizio doesn't let you download apps directly like you would on a phone. Instead, it uses SmartCast, which comes with built-in apps and lets you stream or cast additional ones from your phone. Once you understand this, you'll never get confused again. And today I'll walk you through 3 simple methods to get all the apps you want on your Vizio TV, even the ones that aren't pre-installed. Grab your remote and press the V button or the Home button. A row of apps should appear: Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, YouTube, and more. These apps are already installed. Just click and log in with your account. If you don't see the app you want, don't panic. Vizio regularly updates SmartCast with new apps automatically. So if you're missing something today, check again in a few weeks. Make sure your phone and Vizio TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Open the app you want on your phone, let's say HBO Max or Spotify. Tap the little cast icon in the corner. Select your Vizio TV and boom, your app is now playing on the big screen. You can't find Twitch on your Vizio TV? No problem. Open Twitch on your phone, hit cast, and you're live streaming straight to your TV. No app store required. Plug in a streaming device like Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV, or Chromecast into your Vizio TV's HDMI port. These devices come with their own app stores. From there, you can download literally any app, from Netflix to niche apps you've never heard of. If your TV feels slow or outdated, a streaming device is usually way faster than the built-in SmartCast apps. Press the menu button on your remote. Scroll to System. Select Check for Updates. If an update is available, let it install. First, check the built-in SmartCast apps. Many are already there. Second, use casting to mirror apps from your phone. And third, for unlimited freedom, grab a streaming stick like Roku or Fire TV. Now, before you go install your first app, here's the deal. I make videos just like this every week, breaking down confusing tech and making it super simple. So if this video saved you time, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out. And hey, if you're still frustrated with your Vizio TV, I've got another video coming up. 5 hidden Vizio settings that instantly make your TV better. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.